Good morning students of class 9. I am BD Bhagat to teach you math. Yesterday we had done something, so now I am going to solve some questions. Question is, which of the following points lie on x-axis and which of these points lie on y-axis? Means x-axis और y-axis में कौन-कौन point हैं? So I am writing the question. Thank you, sir. On the board. Question is very simple question. Which of the following points which of the following points lie on x-axis and which on the y-axis? Points are given. There is a point A whose coordinate is 0, 2. There is a point B whose coordinate is 5, 6. And in the same way, another point C whose coordinate is -3, 0. And similarly D of coordinate 0, -3, and E, another point E, coordinate 0, 4, and next point coordinate 6, 0, and G, last point 3, 0. So there are some points A, B, C, D, E, F and G, 7 points perhaps, and coordinate of these points are also given. So we are asked which points, there is a set of 2 points everywhere. Which point lies on x-axis and which point lies on y-axis? So answer will be written like this. If there is a point whose x-coordinate is something but y-coordinate is 0, then it will lie on x-axis. Similarly, if the x-coordinate of the point is 0, but y-coordinate is anything not 0, then this will lie on y-axis. So, I am writing in this way, answer. We know that the coordinate in the form of x0 when y coordinate 0 lies on x-axis, and similarly coordinate in the form 0y, right? 0y lies on y-axis. Now we are going to see here. So see this value and we can say which points lie on x-axis and which point lie on y-axis. So here point y कोऑर्डिनेट केवल 0 होना चाहिए, x कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं. C means -3 0. F 6 0 and G lie on x-axis, because we see that the value of y coordinate of C, F and G are nothing but 0, but value of x coordinate are given. So we can say that points C, F and G lie on x-axis and point think x coordinate should be 0. A means 0 2, comma D 0 -3, E 0 4, lie on y-axis. Very simple question. If x coordinate of the point should be 0, but value of y coordinate will be something, then we can easily say that these coordinates lie on, these points lie on y-axis. We see that the coordinate of A, B and E lie on y-axis because the value of x coordinate in these points are 0. Similarly, if there is a value of x coordinate but there is a 0 value of y coordinate, then these coordinate will lie on x-axis. So this is very simple question. We have done this. One more question. Plot the point. I am writing second question. Question number 2. Question is like this. Plot the point. रखो the point P whose coordinates are -1, -1. Coordinate of P -1, -1. Q 2, 3. And R coordinates are given 8, 11. And also second part of the question says, show that दिखलाओ कि they are collinear. Collinear means all the 3 points are on the same straight line. If the points 2 or more, 3 or more points lie on the same straight line, then these points are called collinear. First of all, we shall do the graph. So, if the examination graph paper is obtained, we have to do all the trigonometrical, all the questions of coordinate geometry on the graph paper. I am These are two axes, x1 and y1 perpendicular to each other. Taking a scale, we shall draw some points on equal distance on the x-axis also and y-axis also and both sides. Equal distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Similarly on the left side, -1, this is -2, -3, -4 and so on. And upon upper side on the y-axis, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lower side also -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Now the points are -1, -1. -1. X coordinate is also -1, so this will, and y coordinate is also -1 in the lower side. These two lines cut here. So this is the point P here, -1, -1. Next, point Q, 2, 3. Coordinates are 2, 3. Means x coordinate 2, y coordinate 3. These two lines cut each other at any point. This point take this Q and coordinates are 2, 3. R 8 minus 8, 11 plus side 8. This is 8 and 11, 9, 10, 11 part. y-axis. So, what is the coordinate of point at 8, 11? Means x coordinate 8, y coordinate 11. For a believer, we draw a line perpendicular to x-axis and 8 on x-axis x value is 8, so from 8 draw a line perpendicular to y-axis. Suppose this is R. Eight 11 value. So we have drawn the graph taking these 4 points on a plain graph paper. Now we join these 4 points P, Q and R. So here distance of the points are not equal exactly, but if you do yourself taking scale and compass and you plot 4 points, and if we join these 4 points, then it will be a straight line. Means PQR should be a straight line. So now we have to write what? If we join these 3 points, these 3 points PQ, that is PQ and R, under bracket to the right, P, Q and R. They will lie on the same line. All the 3-point line, they lie on a straight line. Therefore, this shows, since all the 3, if we join the 3 points which are plotted in the graph paper, then they will form a straight line. Therefore, we can write so collinear. Collinear means lie on the same straight line. So you will write, so they are collinear. When in the question, only you have to do, you have to practice. You have to do practice in the house. So we have done 2 questions. Now simple question in this way, simple question asked, write abscissad of the following points. ordinate of the following points. Four zero points are 40, 523, 23 4. Third point ordinate 23 4 and 0 24. So write the ordinate. Ordinate means value on y-axis. So second value is the value on y-axis. So we shall abscissage of abscissa not ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. That is y coordinate of 40 is equal to 0. Similarly, ordinate of 23 4 is equal to 4 means second value. Similarly, ordinate of 024 is equal to 24. So very easy question. Mind it, the value of x coordinate is called abscissa and the value of y coordinate is called ordinate. So we have done 3 questions. Thank you. This is sufficient for today. Must remember, and we shall meet next day. Three questions. Thank you. Today we have done 3 questions and I think this is sufficient and we shall meet next day. Thank you.